A few months ago, I started harvesting from an uprooted big leaf maple tree.
So the tree was uprooted during a pretty intense windstorm, so it went from vertical to not so vertical.
At first, the goal was simple: move the dangerous parts of the tree and gather some firewood. As firewood, big leaf maple burns solid and consistently. On the Pacific Northwest, it's a very reliable firewood that'll keep your home warm through those colder months. For now, that firewood is going to be set aside to season for the next year or two, or until it's dry enough to have an efficient, clean burn. And that way, we're getting the most out of the wood. But not everything that was gathered became firewood. Big leaf maple has a lot to give. And some of the wood was prepped and set aside for some future woodworking projects. As I sorted through the wood that was closer to the base of the trunk, the grain started to reveal a transformation. These unique lines and patterns are created by fungi as they begin to break down the wood, turning back to soil. This is called spalted wood. You can still find some pieces that are strong enough to work with, and you can continue that collaboration with the fungi.
Nature is just full of surprises.
Enough was gathered from this area, and enough was enough.
Sometimes I feel like we forget that all we need is enough. Just enough. You know, we're not the only ones on this planet. We're not the only ones that rely on this ecosystem in order to live. We just need enough. Nothing more. Just enough.
When a tree falls, it leaves an opening in the canopy. Room for a younger tree to take its place and start reaching towards the sun. And so continues the life cycle of the forest.